My name's Andy Hernandez. I attend Taurus East Los Angeles Performing Arts Magnet in East LA. The writing process of stuff and the development has kind of been like a struggle for me, I'd say, and specifically like trying to connect things, right? Like an example for our story arc, we had to connect social justice to how it changed the character and how we get introduced to that character. From last year, from my experience, what I kind of learned is working with Mr. Coleman and Miss Coleman and all these other students is really the spark of this program, from how they treat us and from how we learn from them and how we collaborate with each other. So I'd say it's an honor to be here, and I'm grateful to be a part of the family.